Dear friends, welcome to the channel, and today we have brought to you a very famous recipe called stuffed chicken bread. It is such a wonderful recipe which can be eaten at any time, but I always enjoy it having with my tea. There are a few steps involved in making a stuffed chicken bread, so watch the video to the end. First, we will start by making the mixture for the dough. The ingredients and the quantities can be found in the description. Once the dough mixture is made, we will now knead the dough. Please knead the dough with your hand for 5 to 10 minutes. After this process, we will put this dough ball into a bowl and seal it airtight. Please boil chicken cubes in water. After 5 minutes of boiling, shred the chicken pieces with the help of your hand or a fork. It is time to cook our filling for our chicken bread. Please follow the pattern on the video to have the best results. More details about the recipe can be found in the description. After 1 hour, our dough ball will be ready, and now it's time to make it flat. First we will use our hands and then a rolling pin. Please load the flattened dough with the chicken filling as shown in the video. Each step should be properly followed for the best results. Please roll the dough over the chicken filling and make cuts with the help of a pizza cutter as shown in the video. Keep on rolling the dough as shown in the video and connect the two sides by the overlapping method. Please brush the oil on the pan and egg wash on the top of our chicken bread. Next we will sprinkle sesame seeds, and this chicken bread will be baked in a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade from 20 to 25 minutes. Halfway through we will brush oil again on the top of our chicken bread. Our chicken bread looks lovely and crispy. I hope you enjoyed the video today, and if you did, please press the like and the bell icon button. And thanks for visiting our channel.